we are doing our client appreciation event today. Just a little event to show my clients how grateful I am for them, how much I value them choosing me to help them buy or sell a house or choose an investment property. So we've got bouncy house, petting zoo, professional pictures of Santa, food and drinks, and it's a great time to reconnect with my clients and get everybody together outside and enjoy this beautiful fall weather. This is what we do for our clients because we appreciate them so much, and I hope that you guys will give me a chance to call you a client one day. Thanks so much.
Purchased a house with Val. Not only has Val helped us become more knowledgeable in the real estate industry, he found a great place for us. It's perfect for our family and friends to come visit us. We love the location. It's right near the highway where we need to be, near work. Just friendly, kind. You know that he's always pushing his hardest to do the best for you because he really does care about everyone. So use Val.
To go, you hop right. 2, 1, go. Come on, me. Come on, me. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, Val did fantastic. We sold our house about a year ago. Val came in, I don't remember the exact timeline, but it seems like it was a month and a half or less from like when we consulted with you to close. Val gave us a number that he thought we could get, which was a lot higher than what we thought we could get, and then we ended up getting higher than that. So it worked out awesome. Val's fantastic. I'd recommend anybody who definitely will reach out to him again when we sell our current home.
So how many houses have we bought together?
Working on 3, but right now it's 2.
There you go. Were you pretty pleased with me?
I wouldn't say pretty pleased. I would say extraordinarily pleased. Very pleased.
Awesome. Awesome.
I mean, it's like, honestly, it's like you were a friend to me. You know, you didn't just think house and like profit, you know, and I was like, so I salute you.
Well, thanks so much, man. Appreciate you, Lemoine.
So my name is April. I am a client of Val. Val did it again, and that couldn't be more true because I had the best experience with Val buying my townhome. He was the best negotiator I've ever had, and I'm now looking for investment property, and he's the only person that I'm going to go to because he knows how to get it done.
I've been in real estate for about 6 months now, and I love it. I got into it because I was really an avid investor, and I wanted to explore what more I could do on helping people, really. Besides real estate, I work for DeKalb Fire, so I'm a full-time firefighter, and on the side I got into real estate, and it's awesome. Val found me my first rental. I actually found his letter in my mailbox one day because he mailed to my area, and I was like, man, this guy looks like he has it all together. So I called him and got in touch with him, and from the first time I called him, we just clicked, you know, just kept in contact with him. He got me introduced to being an agent, and I love it. Now I work on his team. I love working for him. It's a first-hand look into how the pros do it, and I will be like Val one day. I hope to stay with him by his side and just keep growing the team.
Alright. Well, first I want to say thank you to Val for inviting us over. I mean, he actually helped us out with the house last August. We both from the military, so Val
I moved from Italy, she moved from Indiana, and we found Val. He's supposed to be renting me a house, and then he convinced me to buy one. So that's what we did.
And as soon as we bought the house and met him, he invited us over, and we met his family. He met our family, and they were actually one of our first friends here in Georgia.
Yeah, he and his family are pretty cool though, so it's glad to be here and have that community though.
Yeah,
it's awesome.
Hi, I'm Laura Salazar, one of Val's clients. Val did it again. He helped us sell a condo, buy an investment property, and we're definitely going to go to him to buy another investment property. We've had real estate agents in the past, and he's definitely the best. So looking forward to future contracts with Val.
Awesome, awesome.